Good morning. I am Maria Lynn A. Makilan, your teacher interpreter in Science G7, Quarter 2, Week 5. Sexual and sexual reproduction to or is the creation of a new individual or individuals from a previously existing organism or organisms. In animals, this can occur in two primary ways: sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two individuals produce offspring that have genetic characteristics from both parents. Each of two parent organisms, male and female, contributes half of the offspring's genetic makeup. Sexual reproduction involves mitosis or meiosis. Meiosis is a two-part cell division process in organisms that sexually reproduce, which results in gametes, an egg and sperm, with one half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell. Sexually reproducing organisms have two sets of genes for every trait called alleles. Offsprings inherit one allele for each trait from each parent, thereby ensuring that offspring have a combination of the parent's genes. Mammals, fish, birds, amphibians, and reptiles all use sexual reproduction. An easy rule of thumb is that larger animals tend to produce sexually. There are two types of sexual reproduction. Number 1, external fertilization. This is usually done when eggs are laid in a wet environment. The eggs are then to fertilize by the male outside of the female body. External fertilization typically results in the production of a large number of offspring, many of which are killed before reaching adulthood. Amphibians and fish are examples of animals that reproduction in this fashion. Number 2, internal fertilization. In this type of reproduction, fertilization occurs within the number or the female reproduction tract. Internal fertilization usually results in smaller number of offspring which are cared for by the parents. Mammals, birds, and reptiles reproduce in this fashion. Sexual reproduction introduces new gene combinations into a population. New combinations allow for great diversity. Became with offspring indifferent from the mother and father or father and mother. It is a combination of both, and this means that sexual reproduction produces a greater chance of variation within species. This variation improves the chances that a species will all adapt to its environment and survive. Asexual reproduction is asexual reproduction. Only one parent is needed, resulting in offspring that are genetically identified to the parents closest. Asexual reproduction involves one individual producing offspring that are genetically identified to itself. These offspring are produced by mitosis. The mitosis is cell division in which a complete set of chromosomes in is passed onto the daughter cell. Single cell and simple-like forms tend to reproduce asexually, an easy rule of thumb, and could be one-celled and simple cell. Organisms reproduce asexually simple creatures such as amobata, sponges, hydrid, and jellyfish. All reproduce asexually. The 4. Okay, thank you very much.